If you are aiming for success in marketing of the healthcare industry, especially within pharma and biotech, consider joining our upcoming Pharma Marketing Workshop. Here is how you will benefit. 1. Engage with customers. Master the art of connecting and interacting with key stakeholders such as physicians, experts, pharmacists, and patients. This knowledge will empower you to attract and to retain customers more effectively. 2. Grow revenue. Discover strategies to boost your sales by highlighting your product's unique value and strengthening your brand. 3. Realize your potential. Gain insights that will have a significant impact on your personal growth and your professional career. Benefit from 30 years of experience in the healthcare business and the insights from my 3 books. Discover more at www.pharmamarketingworkshop.com/English.